Hi everyone, welcome back to the MZ Mechanic channel. Today we're diving into the wild world of clueless and dangerous drivers. Buckle up as we unravel the chaos on the road. Let's get started. Half of a Ferrari in Shanghai went up in flames, and the cause? The driver was speeding in first gear. Pushing a supercar to its limits in the wrong gear turned this luxury ride into a fiery spectacle. A massive chain reaction involving 30 vehicles occurred, all triggered by a single crash up ahead, the classic butterfly effect in action. Watching that tire bounce from left to right like this feels just like an old-school video game. All that's missing are some sound effects and a high score popping up on the screen. The truck suddenly made a U-turn on the highway. It's like a scene straight out of an action movie, but even the wildest stunts in films can't compare to this real-life thrill. This buddy of ours should probably step out from behind the railing. On September 13th in Jiangsu, a car sped the wrong way on an empty road and collided with a tree after a semi-truck turned unexpectedly at an intersection. A real case of wrong place, wrong time. On September 13th in Dian, Guizhou, China, a sedan caught fire in a tunnel, yet the driver kept pushing forward without stopping. Clearly, he was eager to drive out of the tunnel as quickly as possible. Talk about a fiery determination. When the excavator slid down the slope, it likely caused the pole to pierce through the cabin. It's a shocking reminder of how dangerous machinery can be when things go awry. The white sedan lost control of its speed and distance, and after being pushed for dozens of meters on the highway, it still has to bear full responsibility. Sometimes, no matter how far you're pushed, the blame sticks with you. While the wheel loader was scooping sand, its rear lifted up, and with a nervous new driver at the controls, the loader went into reverse. This caused the forklift to also tilt up at the back, a comedy of errors on the construction site. A small truck crashed into a fire hydrant, breaking it. The driver ended up paying a $220 fine to the water company. Guess that's the price of a splashy mistake. The heavy truck came to a sudden stop at a red light, and luckily, the concrete block only fell onto the hood of the white car. It could have been much worse, but thankfully, the damage was just a close call for the front end. These two drivers each had their own separate paths, yet somehow ended up meeting in the end. The driver of the sedan reacted quickly, inching the car forward a few meters just in time to avoid the tanker truck behind that couldn't stop in time. The truck spilled its cargo all over the road, creating a real mess. Without missing a beat, nearby police rushed in to clean up the chaos and prevent a major traffic jam. The driver of the car, who lost control due to the slippery road, was incredibly lucky not to hit anything. They managed to steer the vehicle safely into the emergency lane, neatly avoiding a potential disaster. Both vehicles were desperately trying to make the most of that one precious second of green light. This green sports car just pulled off a reverse flip straight out of a movie scene. Luckily, everyone inside was buckled up, so they're all okay. It's like they had front row seats to their own action film with a happy ending. A safe and lucky tire blowout situation. No harm done, just a quick reminder that even when things go wrong, sometimes luck is on your side. After being given the right of way by the truck, the white SUV suddenly stopped for some unknown reason. The truck, focused on its work and assuming the SUV had moved on, reversed without checking the mirrors. In this case, the truck is more at fault for not paying attention. Sometimes action scenes aren't just thrilling, they're expensive too. The white car missed its exit, causing the collision, and was later summoned by the police and fined according to the law. A costly mistake for a wrong turn. Have you seen the movie The Mist? The giant dust cloud in this clip is like the real-life version of it, minus the creepy creatures, of course. blue sedan trying to make the turn is going to have to take full responsibility. Maybe this excavator should just tip that tractor over into the mud. It'd put out the fire a lot faster. Sometimes, getting a little messy is the quickest way to solve the problem.
完了，给车掉里了，完了完了完了完了完了完了！这怎么淹了呢？
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you don't forget to like, and if you subscribe to my channel, we will definitely appreciate it. See you next time.